Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So in my previous video, I mentioned that the market has a most likely outlook of a stable to bearish kind, but since the market is trading in a support zone, we can see an uptick if the market holds is crucial support level. So if you see there was a support near the MACD which I have shown you in my previous video, support near the RSI line and also support near the CCI line. Now the important question which comes to our mind is whether this support that has hold today will take the market to a further high or this is a dead cat bounce. To analyze that, what we are going to do is we are going to analyze the option chart data, what the market participants are expecting, and then we are also going to see the weekly and monthly chart to ascertain the strength of this particular move, and we are also going to identify the levels which you should see or monitor if you want to make a good trade or a good risk reward favorable trade. So without going into much sort of analysis, if you broadly see, you can see a channel is clearly getting formed here. Here you can see the market came down, here you can see the market came down, got up, came down, got up, came down, got up, came down. So if you just draw a line here, what you can see is the market is now trading near is lower channel, which is most likely to act as a support for this market. And now from here, if you just follow the chart, you can definitely expect some uptick and an up move. Now if you analyze the option chart data, call chart data suggests that the market participants are not sure and they are not expecting a good sort of a move, because what I can observe is 10,350 has 10,300 to 10,500 has seen a bearish position, but the lower side like 10,050 to 10,250 has seen a fresh generation of bullish position. So market participants are expecting the market to trade on a slightly higher side but not on a much high. So broadly, if you analyze, 10,300 is the maximum upside is what market participants are expecting. And if you see the downward sloping channel is also sort of validating that particular analysis. Now if you analyze the put data, what you will see is put writing again acting as a support near the lower level and put flock covering at a higher level. So most likely market participants are expecting that the market is most likely to trade on a slightly stable to up kind of fashion, but it is also will act as a strong support on a higher side. So market participants are expecting a slightly stable to up move in this particular kind of market, and we have also observed that the market is trading near its lower channel. So that is for sure that now from here, if the market holds on to its gain, you can definitely expect strong up move till 10,300 kind of level. Further, if you see, this particular range or this particular level has always acted as a support for the market. So just to give you the instance, here you can see this green candle that has came up has taken the market to a high level, and again I came down and then went high. So this particular level is where I can expect there is a good sort of demand is there for the market. And if you see, it is also falling into the support zone of the previous support line. So let me just shrink the chart bit. Here you can see broadly, just let me show you. So here you can see a strong resistance then acted as a support, and now again acting as a support. So what I will suggest is let the market trade on a high side, and mostly it should trade and close above the today's high. Then only we can definitely try and make a long position. So if at all there is any chances, I will definitely update to you if if you are with me on my WhatsApp broadcast. Apart from that, if you want to learn the entire system which I use to generate buy and sell signal, you can definitely check out the video description. You will definitely find a playlist of each and every trade a specific rationale and ideas. So as I have mentioned in my previous video, there is a support and the support has halted. Now what we need to see is how strong this particular support is. As far as the option chart data is concerned, there is not much strong indication of market trading on a high side unless 10,300 is breached. But what I feel is you can definitely try and go long. If the market closes above today's high, then you can definitely expect a target of 10,000 300. So that is what my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So as of now, the option chart data for the Bank Nifty is 23,500 to 25,000 is the broad level for the Bank Nifty. And if you see, I have also mentioned in my previous video that though the Nifty is suggesting slight sort of bearishness, the Bank Nifty is definitely bearish because it has not yet broken down significantly, and there might be a chances that it can also broke down if the Nifty falls. But now you can see that it has been acting as a support near the lower level. So if you see, 233 days exponential moving average has been acting as a support, and there is though there is a resistance at a high level, but if you see broadly, this can act as a support. But I am not sure for the Bank Nifty. So if you see a good move here, you definitely want the market to trade high from the days above the today's high. So if that happens, then you can definitely expect a good up move in the market. But till that happens, I'm not going long either in Nifty or in the Bank Nifty. Analysis of option chart data suggests that the market participants are not sure in the Bank Nifty. Clearly a good amount of call writing has happened today. Further, if you analyze the put data, market participants are also expecting some sort of support near the lower level. So put writing has happened till 24,200, and the put long has been covered on a high side. So though it is acting as a suggesting a bullish indication, but what I feel is let the market trade above the day's high, then we'll again analyze option chart data and see how the technical indicators are behaving, and then only we can decide whether we should go long or not. So that's it for the today's video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family on WhatsApp or Telegram, whichever the media you are using, also on Facebook. Apart from that, if you have any doubt, any query, any question, you can definitely mention in the comment section of the video. So that's it for the today's, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.